Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your 2602 security update KB5077181 and how to fix this, and it is not installing in your Windows 11. So how to fix this? Let's get started. First, what you need to do is open your Google Chrome or any browser you like and then search for Microsoft Update Catalog. Then click on this first link and then enter your Windows version. For my case, we have 25H264, so we'll download this one. Just click on download and then click on this first link, and then it will automatically start downloading. Once it completes, just run this, and after running this it will look like this, and it will say security update for Windows is already installed in this computer. Just click on OK and restart your PC. Hopefully your problem solved, and if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.